I think really the adrenal glands would be screaming out loud and saying, stop, enough, stop.
Yeah.
So it's really too much. I agree with you. So, stress, the higher the stress, so this means that we need our adrenal gland to support this. So, we are constantly putting our adrenal gland to basically overwork. It's gonna work anyway, even when we are relaxed. It doesn't stop working anytime, but in a normal person. But when we are so much stressed, we are like putting the gland into an overtime work situation all day, every day. And so I definitely would like to say that we need to really slow the pace of our life. I know that's, of course, easier said than done, but we really need to do this, not just because we are overworking our adrenal glands, but also because stress is a very important factor for so many diseases, including, unfortunately, sudden death and heart problems and stroke and so many things. So we definitely need to slow down. Now, the adrenal glands, when we are stressed, so the adrenal gland will work more to support us. And we, like, if we are too much stressed, that doesn't mean that at the end it leads to adrenal insufficiency or low function of the adrenal gland. There are reasons why people can have adrenal insufficiency, and we'll talk about it later. But just the constant state of stress, meaning that the constant high level of cortisol in the body, this worsens our overall health and our overall metabolism. And there are like some data that suggests that it also leads to adrenal insufficiency. However, again, there are other reasons that are strongly related to this. The adrenal gland is, it keeps working and working, and not after, let's say, an emotional breakdown because of a problem, that it will go into adrenal insufficiency. It takes much longer or much more than that to affect the adrenal gland. But in general, we are just overworking it all the time. And it keeps working. It keeps working, but the end points of this are the problem. Too much of this cortisol and too much of the stress hormones in our body, because of the effects on all the other body systems, again, including the heart.